thunderstorm warning for northwestern Grady County and central Oklahoma, central Canadian County and central Oklahoma, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles south of Calumet to 4 miles east of Kogar, moving east-northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northwestern Oklahoma City, El Reno, Yukon, Mustang, Piedmont, Union City, Minko, and Richland. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service